Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the hidden areas rod in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you the secret location to get the areas rod. First of all, you need to go to the tropical grove. Oops, wait, I'm going to spawn my boat. Okay, I'm going to use my jet ski to go there. And I'm going to show you guys the secret location. Okay, I'm going to drive and we're going to go to the tropical grove. It's right here. Okay, I'm going to turn left. Okay, and we're going to go to the tropical grove. Alright, we have arrived at the tropical grove, and if you want to find the hidden location, you can go to this waterfall. Okay, and the location will be right here guys, and we'll be able to find the Aries rod. Wait. Okay, it's right there. And here is the Aries rod, and you will be able to buy it with 3 million coins. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get the Iris Rod and Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!